A 45W MacBook Air Charger provides reliable, efficient power for fast charging and uninterrupted productivity. My today's video is about top 5 best MacBook Air Charger 45W that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Sorsna MacBook Air Charger 45W. This 45W replacement charger is designed for compatible MacBook Air 11-inch and 13.3-inch models released after 2012. It features an AC input of 100 to 240V at 50 to 60 Hz and provides 14.85V, 3.05A, and 45W output for reliable everyday charging. Compatible models include a 1435, 1465, and a 1466, along with various MacBook Air model numbers such as MD223, MD224, MD231, MD232, MD711, MD712, MD760, MD761, MJVM2, MJVP2, MJV2, MJVG2, and select MQD models. Built-in safety features provide protection against overcurrent, overvoltage, overload, and short circuits, while auto recovery adds convenience. The charger is also CE, FCC, and RoHS certified. Before purchasing, checking your MacBook model is essential to ensure proper compatibility. It is not compatible with 3rd generation T Model M chip Mac computers released after 2021. Overall, this charger offers a practical replacement solution backed by 24/7 technical support for compatible MacBook Air users. Now our second product is Surgket MacBook Air Charger 45W. This 45W replacement charger is designed for compatible MacBook Air 11-inch and 13-inch models and select MacBook Pro models using the T-tip connector from 2012 to 2018. It provides 100 to 240V AC input and 14.85V, 3.05A, 45W output for stable and efficient charging. The magnetic T-tip connector attaches securely and can release during accidental pulls, helping protect the charging port. A dual-color LED indicator shows amber while charging and green when complete for quick status checks. The 6.6-foot cable features a reinforced TPE jacket, thicker copper conductors, and internal shielding for improved durability and reliable power delivery. It has also been tested for over 10,000 bends. Multiple safety protections help guard against overcurrent, overvoltage, short circuits, overheating, overload, lightning, and signal interference. Overall, it's a durable and convenient charging solution for compatible older MacBook models. Be sure to verify your exact model, as it does not support M1 M4 models or MacBooks released before mid-2012. Our third product is Eokoowo MacBook Air Charger 45W. This 45W replacement charger is designed for compatible MacBook Air 11-inch and 13-inch models from mid-2012 through 2017, including models A1465, A1466, A1436, and A1435. It provides a 14.85V, 3.05A, 45W output for efficient and stable charging performance. Its compact, lightweight design is smaller than many original chargers, while the foldable plug makes it easy to store in a bag or pocket for travel, work, or daily use. A 6-foot power cord provides extra reach and flexibility when outlets are not nearby. The magnetic T-shaped connector securely attaches to the MacBook and can safely disconnect under strain, helping reduce potential cable or port damage. Built-in protection against overvoltage, overcurrent, and short circuits adds an extra layer of safety. CE and RoHS certifications further support its quality. Overall, this charger is a convenient and portable replacement for compatible MacBook Air users who need dependable power at home or on the go. Now number 4, Fribug MacBook Air Charger 45W. This 45W replacement AC adapter is designed for compatible MacBook Air 11-inch and 13.3-inch models released after mid-2012. It accepts 100 to 240V AC input at 50 to 60 Hz and provides stable 14.85V, 3.05A output for dependable everyday charging. Compatible models include a 1465, 1466, 1435, and a 1436, along with several MacBook Air configurations such as MD223, MD224, MD231, MD232, MD711, MD712, MD760, MD761, and selected MJ and MQD models. The built-in LED indicator makes charging status easy to check, with an amber light showing active charging and green indicating a full battery. This can be convenient for quickly confirming power status without opening the laptop. The charger also comes with 24-hour customer service for troubleshooting support. Before purchasing, checking the exact MacBook model is essential. It is not compatible with MacBook models released before mid-2012 or M1, M2, M3, and M4 series models from 2021 to 2025. And our last choice is Ykejcld MacBook Air Charger 45W. This 45W T-tip magnetic charger is a practical replacement power adapter for compatible 11-inch and 13.3-inch slim notebooks released between 2012 and 2017. It accepts 100-240 VAC input at 50 to 60 Hz and provides 14.85 V, 3.05 A, and 45W output for stable everyday charging. The magnetic T-tip connector snaps securely into the charging port and can disconnect safely if the cable is accidentally pulled, helping reduce strain on the device. A built-in LED indicator makes charging status easy to recognize, with amber showing active charging and green indicating a full charge. Multiple safety protections help guard against overvoltage, overcurrent, short circuits, and overheating for more reliable operation. Compatible model numbers include a 1434, a 1436, a 1465, and a 1466, along with several listed MD and MJ configurations. Overall, it's a convenient replacement charger for compatible older notebooks, suitable for use at home, in the office, or while traveling. Checking the exact model and connector shape before purchase is recommended. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.